As you'll notice, this team here is working in this area on product development design, working closely with our customers to convert identified science into a product that we can manufacture and supply to the marketplace. The team is also working through and ensuring that all of the work that they're doing is in compliance with all the regulatory requirements that were defined early on in the program. Our team is working in current CAD models. They're utilizing standards where we can. They're designing product in our customers' native CAD files, whether that's SolidWorks, Creo, or others, and storing and managing that as a manufacturer of record if appropriate, or working with our customers in our design history file to ensure that we're following all the appropriate steps through our project management stage gate program. We have one product here that we recently launched to market. An entrepreneur had an idea for a bassinet that could allow an infant to be near a mother after problematic birth. He had a napkin sketch and a concept. We took his napkin sketch and a concept and created and built prototypes in a design model. We took those prototypes to the market for voice of customer exercises on our customer's behalf. We took that feedback from the marketplace and adjusted the design. We tooled that product and had that product through a regulatory process in a Class II medical device selling in market in 14 months. The product was so successful because of the problems that it solved in the marketplace that one of the largest OEMs in the medical device space has adopted that and is now selling it globally.
It's all about getting the point A to point B, meeting design inputs and design outputs. Once you satisfied those design inputs and outputs, and you qualified and validated, you have a great product on the market.